to solve a lot of questions. Now, if this is your section you're dealing with, and of course your neutral axis, and maybe you are told to find your shear stress at a particular distance above the neutral axis, once again EF. I love to notate it that way. Now, what you should do, the first thing you should do is to do this. Look at the space or the region above EF and maybe shade it or something so that you can know that, okay, this is a shape on its own. Now, this area here is called A in this formula. This, guys, it's called A. That is the area of the enclosed space above the layer where you are to find your shear stress. It's called your area. It's called A in this formula. Now, your Y bar. Now, while still looking at this area, look at the centroid of this area. The centroid is here. Y bar is saying that, okay, the distance from the centroid of this particular enclosed area above the layer that we want to find our shear stress, the distance of this centroid of this area to our neutral axis is called Y bar. Now, I is the moment of inertia about this whole rectangle, about the whole section. Now, B is the distance from this point E to point F. That is, if they said I should find my shear stress along this region, I'm going to now say that my B is the width from this region to this region. If they say I should find my shear stress rather in this layer, my B will be distance from this point E to F in this particular area, not any other place. Fine, to give you B, but I'm saying this because there are some shapes that the width varies as you go up or go down. But for a rectangle, of course, the width is the same. But what you should just know and have at the back of your mind is that your B is the distance from point E to point F. Now, lastly, your Y. Y is that distance above the neutral axis to which they tell you to find your shear stress. If they say find the shear stress in the layer EF above the neutral axis, which is I above it by maybe 5 millimeters, your Y will be 5 millimeters. I think I've done justice. Now, S is your shear force. So thank you, guys. Thank you for staying and watching. I hope that this video really helped you. And please, if it did, please kindly like the video, kindly subscribe to the video so that more students can find this video. Thank you, guys.